In this video, we are going to study the rest options of Design tab. I mean Customize section. We are going to study a slide size part. Before making slides, the thing you have to do is to set the size of your slides. That in standard mode, the size is 4:3 and 16:9. That you can choose one of them according to the place of your presentation and the video projector in the old version. I mean before 2007 of PowerPoint, usually they considered 4:3 as a size of slide because in that time video projector supports 4:3 pictures, and there were few video projectors to show a wide screen 16:9. So in that time, I mean before 2007 of PowerPoint, the size of slides usually were selected 4:3. I compared the size of slides and the pictures that is shown by video projector to have a good view for the setting of the size of your slide. The best mode is for choosing the size of the slide is paying attention to the picture that your projectors shows. If the video projector supports showing 4:3 size, the best way for you is that choose the 4:3 size to have a full picture in video projector. But if the size of the picture in your video projector is 4:3 and you choose 16:9 size for your picture, you will lose the up and down space for your video projector. In the time that you are designing your slide, if you put some important elements in the up and down part of your slide, it is possible that audience will not have access to that part and the audience will lose the data. So if your video projector supports 4:3 picture, that the best way for you is to choose 4:3. And another way is that the size of the picture that projector gives you is 16:9. So the best way to choose a size for your slide is to choose 16:9 that have a full picture of your slide. But if your video projector supports the 16:9 picture and you choose 4:3 size for your slide, you will lose the left and the right part of your video projector. So if your video projector supports 16:9, it is better to choose 16:9 size for your slides. The thing that I showed you were the different modes of pictures in video projector and the size of your slide that based on the things that I told you. You can choose the best mode. Let's open slide size in custom slide size to see what options it will give us for settings the size of the slides. In the slide size, there are some standard size like A3 and A4, B4, B5 and different sizes. Even you can see 16:9 and 4:3 size here that you can choose one in accordance with your needs. And if you have a specific size for width and height in your mind, you can enter these numbers in width and height part. By default, the shown measurement is inch. If you want to change it to centimeter from control panel of your Windows or from regional language section, you can change it. Open the regional language, then click on additional settings in the measurement system if the selected option be on the US. The measurement in your PowerPoint will be inch, and if you change the measurement system to metric and OK all the windows, your measurement slide size as you can say will be centimeter, and which measurements that you want you can select and use it. In the number slides from section, you can know if we created the document, the number of the slides of the document will start from 1, 2, 2, etc. But if you want your new document slides number starts from different page number, you can add it here. For example, I say slides start from 5 in the new document. So here I enter 5. If I OK it, as you see the number of slides changed from 1 to 5. Now the first slide's number is 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. In this way, we set it in the slide size part. In the orientation section, you can define the direction of your slides. There are 2 sections, one for slides and another for note, handout, and outline. The second part is for printing, that when you are printing, you like your slides be in portrait and vertical or landscape and horizontal. This is for printing mode. But when you want to design the presentation slides, if you want the slides to be vertical, choose portrait option, and if you want it to be horizontal, choose landscape. If you OK it and click on maximize option, in this window, as you see, the direction of my slide changes into vertical. You can do it based on your needs. These were all options from slide size section in the design tab. In the next video, we are going to review format background.